there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we save you from making the worst purchase decisions of your life. Today, we're diving into the world of mini drones. On the left, we've got the SOTAONE HS430, and on the right, the SOTAONE S350. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. All right, let's start with the most boring but essential part, price. The SOTAONE HS430 will set you back $77. Meanwhile, the SOTAONE S350 comes in at a wallet-friendly $59. So if you're looking to save some cash for that gourmet cup of coffee, the S350 might be your new best friend. But hey, let's not judge a drone by its price tag just yet. Next up, let's talk cameras. Both drones boast a 1080p HD camera. The SOTAONE promises smooth FPV transmission, which sounds like a fancy way of saying you can spy on your neighbors in real time. Reviewers say it offers a nice camera with great still photos. The SOTAONE, on the other hand, lets you manually adjust the angle by 90 degrees, and it's been praised for being a good starter drone with a decent camera. So, if you've ever wanted to pretend you're a professional photographer while crashing into trees, SOTAONE's got you covered. Now, let's move on to battery life, the Achilles heel of every gadget. The SOTAONE HS430 comes with two modular LiPo batteries, giving you nearly 30 minutes of flight time. Reviewers appreciate the extended flight time and the inclusion of 3 batteries. Meanwhile, the SOTAONE S350 offers up to 20 minutes and has been noted for its limited battery life, but still being fun to use. So if you're the kind of person who likes to live on the edge and see how many flights you can squeeze in before it plummets to the ground, SOTAONE might be the way to go. Both of these drones are so compact and portable. They make your smartphone look like a brick. The SOTAONE folds up and fits in the palm of your hand, making it super easy to carry around and lose in your car. Reviewers find it lightweight and easy to transport. The SOTAONE is also foldable and kid-friendly, with users noting its sturdiness and ease of use for children. Perfect for when you want to pretend you bought it for your child, but really, it's for you. Here's where the real fun begins. Features. The SOTAONE HS430 is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. It does high-speed rotation, circle fly, trajectory flight, voice control, gesture control, gravity sensor mode, and even something called throw to go. Yes, you can literally throw it into the air like a frisbee, and it will start flying. Just don't throw it like your ex threw out your stuff. Reviewers appreciate its versatility and fun features. The SOTAONE S350 isn't far behind with its 3D flips, high-speed rotation, fixed-point circle fly, and a bunch of intelligent controls. It's like the drone version of a Swiss cheese, full of holes but still deliciously fun. Reviewers love its tricks and ease of control, especially for beginners. Safety first, because nobody wants to explain to their insurance company how a drone took out their TV. The SOTAONE HS430 offers headless mode, emergency stop, and a 3-speed switch, making it perfect for beginners who are prone to crash landings. Users find it provides a secure and stable flight experience. The SOTAONE S350 also has a low-power alarm, emergency stop, and propeller guards, so you won't lose a finger while trying to impress your friends. It's praised for being easy to navigate and safe for children to use. Overall, the SOTAONE HS430 is praised for its camera quality, extended battery life, and versatile features, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced users. On the other hand, the SOTAONE S350 is highlighted for its budget-friendly price, ease of use, and fun features, making it an excellent starter drone for kids and beginners. So there you have it, folks. The Holystone HS430 and the SOTAONE S350 are both fantastic choices, each with their own quirks and features. If you're all about that extra flight time and a plethora of functions, go for the Holystone. But if you're looking to save a few bucks and still have loads of fun, the SOTAONE is your go-to. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our hilarious and insightful reviews. Drop a comment below and let us know which drone you'd pick, or if you have any other products you'd like us to compare. Until next time, remember to buy smart and fly safe. And please, for the love of drones, don't crash into your neighbor's cat. Product links are in the description.